It's my wife's birthday, so I'm gonna make her one of her favorite wraps, which is a chicken Caesar wrap. I have this brioche bun that I'm just gonna make into croutons. Drizzle some olive oil, a little bit of salt, pepper, a little garlic powder, onion powder, some chili flake, some grated Parmesan. Oh, and parsley. And turn the oven on. And now I guess we'll prep some lettuce. I'm gonna add some ice and just have the lettuce sit until we need it. Ice makes the lettuce nice and crispy. Okay, chicken. And we're gonna do thin slices. That should be good. And do a little salt, pepper on both sides. A little garlic powder too. Olive oil, chicken in. Guess I could start on this dressing. Some cloves of garlic. Or 2 good anchovies left. And yes, we will add a little more salt to this, and then we crush it. Oh, let me flip this chicken. There we go. Let's mix up the croutons a bit. Back in for a little bit longer. Let's see, we need some olive oil in this bowl. Let's get an egg yolk. Okay. A little bit of Dijon. Lemon juice. Mix this up. I think I can turn off the chicken now. Let's get this anchovy paste. Parmesan cheese. Let's begin assembling chicken over here. Perfect. Croutons, lots of croutons. Now we mix. Got these tortilla wraps from Whole Foods. And fill. I don't know how big I want this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring it up and tuck. Let's get this on some parchment. All right, I didn't record myself cutting for some reason, but this is it. Looking sexy. Ooh, look at that. Okay, I'm gonna serve this to my wife. Goodbye.